I paid $260 for this CarPlay with dashcam. This is supposed to be the best CarPlay / dashcam device on Amazon. It should definitely come in handy because it has a dashcam and also CarPlay. So let's get unboxing. Alrighty, it comes in a nice white box and we're gonna do a quick unboxing here. And one thing I wanna mention is that it also has Android Auto. So it has a dashcam, CarPlay, and also Android Auto that works with Android phones. So I'm gonna take everything out of this package and then move everything to the side and show you exactly what's in it. So first thing first, you have the plug and play power cable that plugs into a cigarette lighter port, and it has USB-C, so it definitely shows this company is updated. And it comes with an auxiliary cable for your music to play through your speakers, and it also comes with a backup camera just in case if you want to use the backup camera and have it automatically turn on when you hit the reverse. Has a suction mount, and this is the sticky kind. You gotta have the sticky kind. And last but not least, we're gonna take a look at the actual screen. I'm gonna tell you right now, oh my goodness, this thing is heavy duty and not cheap whatsoever. And there's the camera in the back right here. I'm gonna take off the little sticker that protects the lens. And this camera is adjustable just in case you want to adjust the angle. And let's take a look at this screen. Oh my goodness. The screen is absolutely gorgeous. And I've done a lot of Apple CarPlay testing. And I'll tell you right now, this is a really good screen, fingerprint resistant, and I cannot wait to actually test it out. On the side, you have the USB Type-C, the backup camera input, the SD card, and also the auxiliary port. And they were nice enough to provide you with a 64GB SD card for the dash cam recording. I know a lot of companies do not provide that. And that's pretty much it. This is a plug and play, should be easy to set up, no install required. Let's get to my vehicle and let's test it out. Here we go. So first thing first, I've already switched out the mount to the suction cup mount because that's what I like. Have the power cord right there, and you're gonna want to place this securely somewhere that you feel safe and you feel that it is fit for your requirements. Right now, for testing purposes, this is a perfect spot for me to just place it right there. It just looks absolutely beautiful. It's got that golden ratio screen that all car manufacturers are going towards, and a dash camera in the back. The next step is to just plug it in using the USB-C cable into the back of the device, put it back in place, and then plug it into your 12-volt cigarette lighter port, and make sure you push it in until the green light turns on. And there we go. Plug and play, guys. You guys already know how we like it on this channel. Plug and play every single day. And right off the bat, it automatically turned on, and I will tell you right now, you can't hear it, but I gasped at the quality of this screen. The camera does not do justice at how sharp the image is and how wide and beautiful it looks. Also, there's virtually no lag from my hand. As you can see, I'm putting my hand in the back right here and showing you that there's virtually no lag. So in terms of dash camera, it's looking pretty good. Another note that I will tell you is that this is a set it and forget it type of device. So every time you turn on a vehicle, it automatically turns on, it automatically starts recording. You don't have to press the record button or anything like that. Now we're gonna go and test out the CarPlay. And as simple as, clicking on CarPlay, pairing it with your phone, allowing your contacts to sync. And once you hit use CarPlay, guys, it turns on. Oh my goodness. The vehicle I am in right now is a Genesis, and it doesn't even have this high quality of a CarPlay screen. It doesn't have this golden ratio, this wide screen CarPlay. And once again, the camera does not do justice as how beautiful this looks. So this is normal CarPlay. I mean, if you've used CarPlay before, you can go through your phone, you can go to your contacts, go to your recent, call people, talk to people, use the auxiliary cable so you can talk to people on the phone, Google Maps. This is normal CarPlay, and I'm sure Android Auto is the exact same thing. And in terms of music, I use Spotify. I know a lot of people use Pandora or YouTube Music. And here I'm showing that there is Apple CarPlay and there is Android Auto as well. And in the settings, you can definitely hit pause right here and look at all the settings, including the reverse line calibration right in the center. And that is in case you want to use the backup camera, you can calibrate the reverse line for this device. Another cool feature this has also is an incredible dual screen display that lets you have CarPlay on one side and then lets you have the dash cam on the other side. Really neat feature. I'm not sure if I would ever use this, but if you like it that way, they have this feature there for you. And here's the dash cam in full screen. Now, in terms of dash cam, the playback feature is hands down the best playback feature I've ever seen on a dash cam, period. I'm telling you right now, playing back any kind of video footage on your dash cam, if you have a dash cam, you know how painful it is. And this lets you show the footage on this ultra wide screen absolutely flawlessly. Here's a quick snippet of how the dash cam actually looks. By the way, look at that Rolls Royce and also the Maserati next to it. Really, really nice. But at any rate, this isn't going to be the highest quality dash cam on the market, but still it gets the job done, especially for a dash cam that has CarPlay and also a dash cam and a backup camera in case you actually want the backup camera. So in that case, I think this is doing actually a really good job, especially if you didn't have a dash cam to begin with. Now I gotta say, this device with both the dash cam and also CarPlay and an optional backup camera, I gotta give this a 9.5 out of 10. And if you're looking for a device that has all of the above, dash cam, CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera, literally can turn any vehicle into a smart vehicle, guys. With all these added features, this is it. And I'm loving it, and I know you will love it. Now I already know what you guys are probably asking. What if I already have a dash cam, already have a CarPlay in my vehicle? You want separate devices? Don't worry, I made a video for you about a dash cam that is front and back, really high quality, one of the highest rated on Amazon, and also I made a video for just CarPlay if you're not interested in a dash cam and or you already have a dash cam. I'll leave the two videos right here for you. Check it out.